Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 20, Parallel combination of resistors. This is the second method of combination of a resistor, that is parallel combination of resistors. Definition is very simple. Such a combination in which there are more than one path for the flow of charges, current. More than one path for the flow of current is called parallel combination, and it is clear in a circuit diagram. These are the three resistors of resistance R1, R2 and R3. All these three resistors are directly connected to the source. It means that potential across this plus and minus equal to this A and B, because there is no drop of voltage occur from point plus to point A or from minus to point B. So the potential difference across A and B is same to that of the source potential difference or voltage. Here each resistor connected directly to these 2 points. It means that the pushing force means voltage or potential difference equally supplied to all these three resistors R1, R2 and R3. Therefore, in parallel combination scenario is different, opposite. Here voltage or potential differences remain same to that of the sources. V1 is equal to the source potential, V2 is equal to V, V3 is equal to V. So V is equal to V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V3. Potential difference is same, but the current will be different. If the resistors are different, then different amount of charges will flow. Minimum charges will flow across that resistor whose resistance is less. Maximum charges will flow across that resistors whose resistance is less. But if the resistance is more, the charges flow or current flow will be less. So current will be different among all these three if the resistors are different. So the total current supplied by battery will flow in three different paths as I1, I2 and I3, and the sum of all these three currents will be equal to the total current of the battery. Using this equation 2, in order to calculate the equivalent resistance or effective resistance, so in this case using equation 2. But first, according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. According to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R equivalent for battery, I1 V by R1, I2 V by R2, I3 V by R3. Putting this equation 3 in equation 2. If we put here 1, 2 and 3, then your confusion will be removed. So putting this equation 3 in this equation 2, then we can write it is V divided by R equivalent is equal to V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3. Is earlier we discussed V1, V2, V3, all of them are same. All of them are same. So for this purpose, we put V instead of V1, V2 and V3. Taking V common, so it will become 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. V and V will be cancelled. So 1 over R equivalent is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. This is the required result. Now, what this equation 5 tells us? This equation 5 tells us that in parallel combination, the equivalent resistance must be less then the smallest resistance among these three one. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any problem, share through WhatsApp group or directly clear from the call. Thank you.